Applicator LX-150. We're going to go over some general placement of the machine and components and general setup. First, get to the machine. You'll have a couple different components with it. You'll have the sleeve labeler itself, the LX-150, the unwind where the film sits, the timing screw assembly that meters out the containers, the brush downs that will wipe the labels down. We'll go over the settings and general placement of these on your conveyor line. When you get your equipment, you want to place and identify the LX-150's placement on your conveyor line and make sure that it's in a good location away from steam or other devices. You want to also make sure that the sleeve labeler is centered on the center line of the conveyor. Centering the machine. Here we have laser level to identify the center of the conveyor belt along with the center line of the mandrel. Once the machine is centered with the conveyor belt, we want to make sure that the machine is raised up off the ground on the leveling legs. We also want to make sure that the film unwind is placed left-hand side through this example, and the film is also center lined with the mandrel. We need to drill and tap on the machine and the conveyor once everything is set. We also need to bolt the unwind to the conveyor under the machine. Next, we will want to mount the timing screw assembly to the side of the conveyor. There will be 2 bolts to drill and tap into the conveyor. This location, we have it here. This may be farther down the line if required. The timing screw also comes with a junction box that will need to be mounted to the conveyor. This junction box will power the motor, and also there is a photo eye. Next, we will want to mount the brush downs on the conveyor. There are 2 brush downs, one on each side. It might be downstream further or here for the location, depending on your line. There are 2 locations to bolt to the conveyor frame here. This is the mount, and the brush down will slide onto the mount. And lock it in. You also need to mount the control box for the brush down speed onto the mount here.